Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in today's video, I am going to explain you that how you can create a program in the Scratch. A program is a set of repeatable instructions that you can store up to carry out later. See, this is the script area. The script area is a place where you make your program in Scratch by dragging the blocks from blocks palette. Look here, this is blocks palette. So you can make your program in this script area by dragging the blocks from the blocks palette and dropping them on the top of each other. Today, I am going to tell you that how you can create a program in the Scratch with the help of these blocks. First of all, we are dragging the blocks from this block palette to the script area. So first of all, we are dragging this block pen down and we will drag it here in the script area like this. Now I am taking another block, this one. If you want to change here the step value, you can change it also like this. You want to enter here 100 steps, so you can enter like this. After that, now I am taking another block from here and here I am changing the value also. Here by default it is 15 and I am writing here 90 degree. After that, next now I am taking for motion. From the motion tab, we are selecting now next one block. Like this. Here you can change the steps also, how many steps you want to move this Scratch, how many steps you want to move this sprite in the Scratch. This you have to tell. Now I am taking another block here and here I am changing the value of degrees like this. Again, next block we are taking, we have to drag it. Now here change the value of number of steps. Here we are entering 100 steps. Now we are taking another block and dragging it here we will change the values. So as you can see, if I am clicking on any block, then it will be executed, and you can see the change here, that how by moving with the movement of this sprite, it is drawing the box here. So in this way you can create a program in the Scratch. Now I am going to tell you how save you can save this program or this project in the Scratch. For this purpose, you will first go to menu bar and you will click on File tab. You will get a pull down menu here. Choose Save as option from it. Once you will click on Save as option, this Save Project dialog box, it will appear in front of you. In the file name box, you have to enter the name of your project. As I am writing here my file name project1 here. After writing your project name, now you have to tell its extension also. You will give extension here dot sb2. So after entering here file name and extension, now bring your mouse pointer on the save button and click on it. So as you can see here, earlier here it was untitled, but as we have saved our project now, so here the name of the project number, project 1, it is appearing here. So in this way you can save your project in the Scratch. I hope you have learned all the steps properly for creating a program in the Scratch, as well as how you have to save your program or save your project in the Scratch. For today only this much. Thank you so much.